Greetings class, and welcome to CST 158. This is going to be the week 10 assignment for setting file permissions in Linux and encrypting files in Windows. So I have come into NetLab here and I have created a reservation for about an hour. I'm going to enter the lab. And you cannot see on my other screen. Move this over here. I have the lab manual on my other screen, so I'm going to be walking through that. I'll be referencing it as we go through here. Okay. So I'm going to be starting here on page page 6, where it is setting file system permissions in Linux. Right there. So we're going to start here with the first step and go through each one. So ensure that you've logged into the RHEL and Fedora or Fedora Linux machine. So if we go up here to the top, we can see there the Fedora is. And root is the username. Yeah, I forgot. The lab that is in Canvas has the wrong credentials. Here's the credentials. So for a Linux machine, the username is going to be root, and the password is going to be that CST CCC 2019 bang. If I didn't, there we go. So again, take a look at that there. And that is also the same password on the Windows boxes for the username administrator. Okay, so from here, we're going to go to make a directory. So I'll go back to our root drive and use the command mkdir projects. Alright, then we're going to look at the permissions on that folder. So we're going to do a ls-l, actually ls-ld. Okay, and we can see that it has execute and read across the board for the users of the group, for this user, root, and for the users of the group that are allowed to do it, such as the sudoers. Okay, so we're now going to create a group called sales with the group add command. I spell sales right. There we go. And then we're going to create a user called U2 and put it in group sales as well. So user add UTWO. Yeah, I'm a huge U2 fan as well. -G, and put it into sales. Okay, so that adds the user U2 and also adds that user under group sales. Okay, now we're going to change group sales to projects and then look at the projects permissions. So obtain chgrp sales projects. And then we're going to do ls-l_d space projects. And we can see that our projects has read write execute for members of the group, execute read for root, and execute for normal users. Okay, now we're going to do the chmod command for projects with the G plus W for projects. Oh, I'm sorry, for the projects folder. Okay, there we go. And that adds write permissions for the group assigned to the folder projects. All right, and if you do the ls-ld/projects again, or if I just do the up arrow to where I had that, same command, all right, you're going to see that now, hey, it's changed. It was this, it is now this. So take a screenshot of this. So what we have to do here is snipping tool. And I'm just bringing up snipping tool. There we go. And we'll click new. And I'm going to take a screenshot with that. And I'm going to grab my timestamp down here, because I like to see your timestamp. So make sure that you have not you know, copied somebody else's screenshot from a previous semester. Although I should also see everything else here when you log in as well. Okay, and then we're just going to copy that. We're going to come to our lab manual. All right, and then under here, we're just going to paste that in there. There we go. And we are ready to roll here with encryption of files. So from here, I can move over to the can't administrate off of a snipping tool. So I'm going to move over here to Windows 2019, and I'm going to send it a Control-Delete. And under Administrator, I'm going to do that CST CCC 2019 bang. And I'm going to log into this guy. So from here, you want to enter into a command prompt. It really doesn't matter if you do a normal command prompt or an administrator command prompt. You can do a search here. If you just click on the Windows at the bottom and type in CMD, all right, you can find it. You can right click it and run it as administrator. Probably the easiest thing to do. All right. And then we are going to just get back out to the root directory and type in the command mdc:/budgets. There you go. Oops. So I keep thinking of it in Linux. So if I do the dir command, I can now see that, hey, I have budgets right there. All right. So we're going to start a notepad and just type in some random stuff into it. So come here, notepad again. Make sure you're doing this in the server. And we're just going to say this is a test of the encryption application in Windows Server. This is only a test. All right. So I'm going to save that to our desktop. just going to name it test.txt. All right, there we go. I'll minimize that. Oh, you know what? I should have saved it. I should have followed directions. Ha ha ha. That's okay. We're going to do a file, save as, and we're going to go to this PC, C drive, budgets, and it's going to be called budget1.txt. Again, I should follow my own directions, right? There we go. There, so now I have it there. And close Notepad. Alright. Alright, so next we're going to go ahead and type in cipher :/budgets : so we're going to basically I'm skipping a step here. I'm sorry, I'm on step 5 now. Cipher.exe whack e c : /budgets. Okay. And get the little help thing. So it encrypted the files in C : /budgets. Alright, so that one directory was encrypted. Now we're going to type in cipher.exe C : /budgets. Alright, so notice that E to the left of the budgets txt file name, this shows that the file is now encrypted using EFS. I have to kind of scroll back up here. I don't think I needed to put the exe in there. Oh, haha, that's what I did wrong. I did a slash instead of a dot. There it is. So this is what we're going to look for right here. So screenshot that. We want to make sure that we have that right there. Snipping tool again. It can be very difficult at times when you mistype something. So if you mistype something, don't freak out. Look back at what you typed. Look at the help menu. That's kind of step 1 of troubleshooting. Alright, so I'm going to get that. Edit. Copy. And then I'm going to put that right here where it says provide a screenshot. There we go. And then all you have to do is answer the questions. So, roughly how long do you take to complete this lab? Well, if I'm looking at my timer in Camtasia, I'm going to put in 15 minutes because that's about how long it took me. It's even with all my mistakes. Did you find that the setting of file permissions is easier or harder in Linux as compared to Windows? I thought it was easier in Linux. Alright. More straightforward. I am more of a power Linux Linux user than a Windows 1. You can answer this however you want to. There's no wrong or right answer for this. This is opinion. Blank is the command to change characteristics such as read, write, execute. Well, that's a Linux command, so that's chmod. And blank is a command in Windows to make a directory. That's md. Blank is a command used to encrypt files in Windows. That is the cipher command, cipher.exe. Alright, and that's it, ladies and gentlemen. That is homework, or that is the assignment for week 10. Thank you very much. I hope you had fun with that. This is a nice little lab, especially in getting your skills up to date for moving around a directory, moving and manipulating files, especially with permissions. So really key, especially from a security standpoint. So this is Professor Brown signing off. Have a great rest of your week, and we'll see you around.